Hello, my name is VaneGisselle and welcome to my channel. Before I start the video, just to let you know, the weather has been very bad all week, which is why the video is bad quality. I use natural lighting. The reason I did not post last week is because I've been sick and I was waiting to feel better, but that did not occur, which is why I don't look too well and my voice sounds pretty bad. For this week's video, with Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up, I thought this would be the perfect week to show you for this video how to shop at high-end stores for cheap. Currently, Nordstrom is having a 40% fall sale. Here's some examples of the sales that you will find in the women's clothing area. And for the men's clothing area, these are some examples. Before I show you the Macy's website, I want to tell you to get your Macy's card. Never get a card when you have to pay monthly or you have a one-time fee. All the cards I have are actually free. But I get them only because they give me additional sales or discounts once I acquire it. You will not have any annual payments or one-time fees for your Macy's card. On the other hand, you will get actually discounts during the whole entire day when you first acquire your Macy's card. I actually don't know what the Thanksgiving and Christmas sales code will be and what kind of discounts they will have, but I just wanted to show you that there is actually very good discounts. And now let's go onto the screen recording. These are the current sales going on at Macy's. From clothing to jewelry to home. As you can tell, this is the air fryer I bought from my air fryer video for $31.49. White House Black Market. So I'm not sure if they will be having Black Friday sales or any sales for Christmas, but a few tips and pointers about this store. After 2 to 3 months that their new arrivals have dropped, they actually start putting their clothing on sale. Now, wait probably a little longer than 2 to 3 months and they'll drop so much. Even though they do have good sales in the store, they have even better ones online. The picture that's moving is the shirt I wore for my best friend does my makeup for a day. The skirt I am moving is from my Halloween video where I dressed as Elle Woods for Halloween. Now for New York & Company, they will actually start their Black Friday sales before Black Friday. I got my New York & Company credit card last year during Black Friday and it dropped the price a good amount. Why I love New York & Company, it's because they have so many great sales and clothing items that you can shop for, especially during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So definitely that's a must go, even though if it's just for presents. These are all the sales and discounts you will find at New York & Company. For this next one, it's Dillards, and it's not actually offered online. I tried looking for it, but it wasn't there. So you would have to go to the actual store for this one. The jewelry actually goes on a huge sale. I bought earrings from $40 to $2. It sounds crazy, I know. It's hard to believe, but it's true. I've actually worn them on previous videos. Now this tip isn't actually just for Black Friday or Christmas. They probably will have it because they have it year round. But you have to actually go like on random days. Just be patient and check out all the prices. So in my city, they've opened the Macy's Backstage a year or so ago. And it's actually amazing. So you have your actual Macy's and then there's a Macy's Backstage. So what basically Macy's Backstage is, it's like a Ross but with only Macy's products. Meaning, other products that did not sell are sent to the Macy's Backstage and then they sell it there. I am not sure which Thanksgiving and Christmas sales Zara will have, but currently the women's section is having a 45% off online, and for the males, it's anywhere between 40 or 45%. So this following store, it's not everyone's cup of tea. It's honestly not really mine, but I happened to find little hidden treasures in this store. I call them hidden treasures because they fit my aesthetic perfectly. The jean jacket you saw in my air fryer video, I actually got at Anthropologie from $160 to $30. In the screen recording, you will see that there are various opportunities to find those great styles and hidden treasures. Here are some examples of the Anthropologie's big clothing sales. For Victoria's Secret, I've noticed this past week that they're having various sales in the store and online that are a big surprise. Also, for year-round, you would probably want to hit up the outlets. Get the Victoria's Secret credit card. It should be free. This website I am showing you right now is to direct you to a website that will show you all the sales year-round and what stores are best to shop at that month. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family on all your social medias to pass along these tips and tricks. Subscribe and click the bell for future notifications. See you back next week.